In this video, I'll show you how to integrate ChatGPT with Google Docs. If you want the AI chatbot to be integrated within the Google Docs working file, let me show you the steps that you need to follow. Now, first of all, open up Google Docs and then head over to the Extensions tab. From the extensions, click on Add-ons and click on Get Add-ons. Now, this is the section that you can get different extensions like you normally do with Google. Now, through this section, you'll be able to add in different GPTs into your Google Doc. What you need to do is search for GPT for Sheets and Docs, and you need to pick the first one, which is from Talarian. Just click on the Install button and click on Continue. This way, it will ask you to log into your Google account. Once you've been now logged in to this particular site using your Google account, the GPT now has been added. As you can see on the right hand side, the GPT for Docs is now loading up. Now there are a few things that you can do. Either you can add in a custom prompt or you can just use it for grammar or spelling. If you're writing an essay or writing an article, using the grammar or spelling feature can be a great add-on. Similar to this, you can use other features such as translate or summarize if you're summarizing some text or documents. You usually do on ChatGPT, you can add in a custom prompt so that it can generate anything. For example, if you're generating an article or a blog, you can write in a custom prompt so that a blog is generated automatically. There are a few additional settings that you can manage. You can take a look at it and add in whatever the things that you may need. So that was the video about the way that you use ChatGPT with Google Docs. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you in the next one.